Hello friends. Did your hard drive facing any errors? Do you want to know that errors and fix them? Today I'll show you how to take care of health of hard drive and fix any errors. Let's go to video. First, open your browser and search this. Then search Hard Disk Sentinel, and click Go. Then click this link. And download your setup. The download link in the description. You can simply download the software by clicking it. When download finished, you can see a WinRAR file. Then extract it. Password is 123. Then open your VirusGuard and turn off real-time protection. Now you can install setup. Then we should install patch file. Follow me. Now you are in pro version of Hard Disk Sentinel. Again, open your virus guard and turn on real-time protection. We can see performance and health as a percentage in these hard disks. And also you can see temperatures of this hard drives. And you can see any informations about your hard drives. When open this PC, you can see health icons on each partition. If you want to remove it, follow me. My hard drives have no any errors. If your hard disk facing any error, you can check it in these tools. There are a lot of tools in this software. You can try them one by one. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. By pressing bell icon, you will be notified when I upload video. Thank you for watching this video.